Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to check all of the games that you've played on Roblox from scratch using the Roblox launcher, as you guys can see on my screen here, or the browser site if you're in Chrome. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple, and like I said at the start of this video, you can do this on both platforms, being the actual launcher for Roblox as well as the browser site. So I'll be showing you both methods, starting with the launcher version. Now, to actually see the history of your playtime as well as the servers or the games that you've joined in, you guys would want to first make sure that you're logged into your account like I have here, and then you would want to click on more on the left hand side of the screen to access your inventory. Now, the inventory is actually what's going to list all of your played games over at Roblox across the years that you've, or across the time that you've created your account. So if I click on inventory here, actually I'm not sure if it's popping up because it's showing it in an embedded window. So I might just do the browser version for this. So I'm going to switch accounts real quick. I'm going to switch tabs real quick. So hold on. So I'm going to go to Chrome, just like that. Okay. So here we are. Now, as you guys can see, I'm currently logged into my account over at Roblox, and the idea here is you would want to click on inventory, much like with the launcher version, just like so. And from here, you guys would want to go to servers. Now, if you guys go to private servers, you'll be met with a drop-down menu with two options being my private servers and other private servers. So this is actually a history of basically every game that you've joined in Roblox, and it'll be listed here. And because I created a dummy account for this, it's not going to show anything, but that's basically how you guys do it. Additionally, you guys can also, what do you call it? Go to the home page, and normally home would display all of the recently played games under your account, like so. If I were to go to home, like so, there'd be a new tab here right above recommended for you saying continue playing, and it'll actually bring up all of these sessions or games that you've played prior. And yeah, that's honestly all there is to it. So yeah, hopefully this video helped you guys out, and if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. So once again, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.